where we left it before we start all over. So we have our home page, contact, about, and menu. But we want this to go to the top. Let's take this to the top and see. Let's make the display. Let's say the bottom. Let's say the margin bottom. Let's put it at 500 pixels to move it upward. Okay. All right. So it's upward right now. I think we are good. So now we have our page, home page, contact page, and about us. The next thing is to link the pages together. But before we link, let's create a content for about. So let's go back to and create from ChatGPT, say add about us page. Okay. So you add your about us. Right now we are using internal CSS. So you may not have to link your external CSS to this for the about. So we have the about us. So we want to say add, it's going to add with the same navbar. You understand? So let's copy this into about. This is what I asked, add about us page. Okay, go back to, I've copied, yes, I've copied. So I paste it here, save that, go to contacts. So add contact page. All right, add your contact page. Just to have something there in our contact page. The focus here is how to link the different pages. So, but let's have something in the pages before we link with Python. All right, so we have internal CSS, internal JavaScript. So we just have that for contacts. So copy that and paste it right there. Save it. Then frequently asked question. So add frequently asked question. Okay. All right. So we have a frequently asked question page. So when that comes up, we also copy that, and you paste it. Okay, so the frequently asked question page, let's have something there. Okay, so let me remove what initially was there, save it. I think we are good. Okay, what we actually have was menu. Okay, was menu. But let's go ahead and add the pages. So we have the frequently asked question, contact us, home page, about us. So menu, right? So add menu. So add menu. Like I said, the focus is linking of the pages with Python. So now that we have our HTML pages ready, we should be able to link with our Python and display our chatbot as necessary. Okay. All right. So this is it. We have this now. Copy this, and there we are. As menu. So we have to create menu. Are we together? So how many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So add menu dot html. So paste it there and save. Okay. So go back to index. Now we have the app.py ready. So what we need to do now, we need to create a route for the different pages here. So come here and create your decorator, app.root for, let's call this about. Let's call this about. Okay. Then you create your function, dev about. Okay. Then we return with render templates. What are we returning? About us page dot html. So having done this, you can go to your index page and link it. The about is right here. So I remove the hash symbol. Then I want to link the about page. I say curly braces URL4 underscore 4, open the bracket and put in the name about that we have created. That should be in quotation mark, sorry. Put about in quotation mark. Then save it and refresh. Then about page, let's refresh this. About should be able to link. Has it linked? I think so. No, it has not linked yet. Okay, let's see what is in the page of about. Let's check our bots, food bots. Go to start. Let's go to about. Let's see what is there. Okay. So what do we have there? Okay, that's what we have, basically. There's no content. So it's displaying what is there. So we have linked it. So it is linked, because that's what is there. So let's go to what do you call it? Contacts. So we go to app.py and your create your route for contacts. So decorator app.root. Let's call this contacts. No, so just contact. Then define it. Definition of contacts. Create a function. Then return with render templates. Okay. So call it contacts.html, right? So save that, go back to your index, go to contacts. Okay, contacts here. Okay, remove the hash. Let's call it curly braces, URL underscore 4, Okay, sorry, for open brackets, contacts, yeah, save it and go back to your browser, refresh. Then we should link our contacts.
Yes, because this is a common feature. The handbag and chat will still always go on every page.
But not necessarily.
So how do you navigate to go back to other places?
Well, let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's see something. Let's go back to contact us and put in something there. As a contact. Let's say in the body. Let's say let's call it head. Let's call it H1. Welcome to contact page. Save that. Let's refresh that and see. Okay, it's linked actually.
Yes.
So we need to work on our page. It's linked, so we can. So we need to move. So maybe perhaps we can link our style. I can link my style to this page. Okay. Perhaps I can remove all of this style. Hmm? Anyway, we can take time to work on the page. But for the meantime, let's just link it first. So what else is left to be linked? Frequently asked question. So frequently asked question, you go to your app. So you go through the same process, you create a route and link it. And from there we can begin to work on our page. Okay? Begin to work on our page. Let's call it FAQS. So your function FAQS, um, return, we render templates. Okay, open bracket with FAQS dot HTML. So when you save that, you go back to index and link it right here. FS, but that's menu, under menu, right? So you can use it as menu. So curly braces, URL underscore 4. All right. Then now put your FAQ there and save it. Uh, we can refresh now. Let's refresh with our first page. So menu is links. So we need to work on our web page. But the essence is the linking. We have linked all the pages. So we'll stop the video for now.